Our first example relates to plant downtime. Let's say it's 9 AM, and due to high winds, the tower crane must be taken out of action. All site lifts are suspended. Let's note this in the site diary. Open the Evernote app and find your notebook Site Diary. If you prefixed it with a 1, as I suggested in part 3, you'll find it at the top. Create a new note in your site diary with the green plus button at the base of the screen. When the new note appears, you'll see an option to select a template. The templates you added to your account in part 3 will now appear. In this case, we want to record plant downtime. Now enter the relevant details of this event. Ensure you enter your initials as the author. If more information is required about this entry later, this allows the author of the entry to be identified. In this example, I'm noting that a crane has been taken out of operation, so I am unable to complete the time to information.